In this video, we will be learning about conditional statements. We will be exploring how conditional statements works and how you can use them to solve real-world problems. Part 1. What are conditional statements? Conditional statements are a powerful feature of Java that allows your program to make decisions based on certain conditions. In other words, conditional statements allow your program to behave differently based on the input it receives. For example, imagine you're writing a program that needs to determine whether a user is old enough to purchase a ticket to a movie. You could use a conditional statement to check the user's age and then decide whether or not to allow them to purchase a ticket. Part 2. If-else statements. One of the most common types of conditional statements in Java is the if-else statement. An if-else statement allows you to specify two different blocks of code to be executed, depending on whether a certain condition is true or false. Let's take a look at an example. Imagine you're writing a program that checks whether a user input is a positive or a negative number. Here's how you could use an if-else statement to do this. In this example, the if statement checks whether the user's input is greater than 0. If it is, the program prints the message, the input is a positive number. If it's not, the program prints the message, the input is a negative number. Part 3. Switch statements. Another type of conditional statement in Java is the switch statement. A switch statement allows you to check for a specific value and execute a corresponding block of code. Let's take a look at an example. Imagine you're writing a program that converts a user's input from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Here's how you could use a switch statement to do this. In this example, the switch statement checks the value of the variable choice. If the value is 1, the program converts the temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. If the value is 2, the program converts the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. If the value is anything else, the program prints the message invalid choice. That's it for this video about conditional statements in Java programming language. We hope you found this information helpful and that you now have a better understanding of how to use conditional statements to solve real-world problems. Remember to always consider the conditions and the corresponding blocks of code carefully when using conditional statements in your programs. Happy coding!